Meteorologist Marco Schuler. We saw snow earlier today as well as some rain, and now we're seeing some frigid conditions. Look from our Sky 6 Embassy Suites camera. Saw some flurries earlier, but now we're seeing calmer conditions. Most of the snow has just migrated closer towards the Sevier County area, close to Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, Fort Harry, Elkmont, Middle Creek, and Sevierville. You can see the dark purples right there. And we have seen some significant accumulations along the Smokies. Now, the main thing that this system did, not only bringing snow and rain, but it brought some really cold conditions. Temperatures right now at 11:19 p.m. we're sitting in low 20s, upper teens, and our feels like, well, it's even colder. Some areas already starting to feel like the single digits. Some areas already starting to go into the negatives, feel like the negatives. We're feeling like -1 in Jamestown already, and that colder air will just continue to push on into our area the later we head into our Sunday night going into Monday morning. Now, with that being said, the National Weather Service in Morristown has put out a cold weather advisory and a cold weather warning because of those feels like temperatures, because we could feel as low as -10 degrees in the areas highlighted in white and feel like -20 degrees in the areas highlighted in blue, and that's for a long period of time, because overnight tonight we expect to see temperatures dropping down towards the single digits, and those feels like temperatures are much lower. We'll be feeling closer to 4 degrees here in Knoxville tomorrow morning around 7 a.m., feeling closer to -7 degrees in Crossville around 7 a.m. Just very, very cold. And again, this isn't just for one day. As we move on into Tuesday, we can expect to see the same thing. Again, these are Tuesday morning lows. Most of us will be in the single digits, some of us low teens, and Wednesday is the exact same. Single digit lows, low teens. Now here's some good news. We're not going to be below freezing for too long, but we will spend about 90 hours below freezing starting now, going on into Thursday. Now, this doesn't include our lows. Our lows obviously will be below freezing pretty much all week from tomorrow going on into next Sunday, but it's our highs that we're watching. So yes, we will be below freezing Monday through Wednesday, but finally as we move towards Thursday, we start to see some warmer air move on in, and by warmer I just mean we're not below freezing, and then we finally will be back closer to average next Sunday in the upper 40s. But again, frigid conditions tomorrow. An Arctic blast of air will be here, feeling like the negatives tomorrow morning or the single digits. Still bitterly cold on Tuesday and Wednesday, but finally starting to see some warmth coming back into the forecast, especially as we head on in to the end of the week, going on into next weekend. We do expect to see some precipitation moving on through, but luckily that precipitation will arrive once our temperatures are above freezing. But we'll continue to watch everything. Just know that we are expecting to be quite chilly over the next 90 hours. Ella.